Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HPI Auto. We are in the 2008 911 Carrera S. This is a 997.1. It's one of my favorite generations of Porsche. I have not really driven a 997.1, so I'm in for a little bit of a treat, I guess. I don't know really too much about the 997. So the 997.1 does get around 350 to the wheel, which isn't bad at all for a 2008 and a two-door car. It's a little car. It doesn't weigh too much, but it does get up and go, which I personally really like. It's a peppy little car. Now you are powered by a 3.8 liter flat six engine in the rear, which is really nice. This car definitely shows its age, but it definitely can still hang on the back roads, and I really like that. I've always just been a smaller car kind of person with just a little bit more power. But let's go ahead real quick and take a look at the interior and the exterior of this car. So this is the interior of this 997.1. Again, this is a 2008. You're immediately met with a full gray interior in here. You do have a white backing plate on the gauge display, which I really like. This car only has 44,000 miles on it, so it's really well taken care of, and it is still very young as far as miles and age go. Now, like I mentioned, full gray interior, which is really nice. It's very clean, and you could tell that the previous owner definitely took care of this interior, which I always like, especially when buying a car. Now, you do have a Tiptronic transmission, which if you don't know what that is, it's like pre-paddle shift, pre-PDK. You do upshift and then you can downshift right there on either side, which is really nice. But this is what your center console is looking like. You do have a screen display right there. You have all your radio controls, your AC controls are down here, and then you also have your active arrow button. You do have your active suspension and your sport mode right here. Since this is a Carrera S, you do get a little bit more of that power. Along though, like I said, Tiptronic transmission, so it is a little bit more old school, but it's not too bad. It's not too shabby. Just, obviously take care of your car and it'll take care of you. Moving along though, you have really nice, comfortable power seats right here. These are not heated and cooled seats. They are just normal, everyday driver seats, but they're all really comfortable, and I've always liked them. And I love that they are electric seats, so you can kind of really adjust it. Have a sunroof in here, which I really like. I've always loved a 997 with a sunroof. I don't know why. I love the 997 generation. I think it's such a good driver's car. It's perfectly balanced, and it's just a good little car. So this is the exterior of this 997.1. Again, 2008 generation, very, very clean paint-wise. Now this is a dark blue. I don't remember the name of it exactly, but I've seen it throughout 991 generations as well, so I'm glad they kept it. It does look like it's black in the shade, but it is dark blue. It's just very, very, you can kind of see it right there, but very dark blue. You do have the 5 spoke wheels. These are done in gloss black. These are known as the lobster claw wheels. I learned that a couple of years ago, and the more that I look at it, the more I see it. You do have Pirelli P0 tires wrapped around these wheels, which is really nice. Again, really good tire. I love Pirellis. Back here though, you do have your active arrow. I put the spoiler up. I always put the spoiler up on these things because it just looks good. It looks nice. You do have a dual quad-tipped exhaust back here with, again, it's a sport system, so it does sound really, really good. But you can obviously put in a Fab Speed exhaust, or you can put in other types and other brands like Dundon to really enhance that flat six engine, which is really nice. You have the classic Carrera S badge back here. It's just really nice. The paint is just very, very clean, and I love that, considering this is a car from 2008, which, in my eyes, I still think 2008 wasn't that long ago, but it was years ago now. So that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're interested in the 2008 911 Carrera S, I highly recommend it. If you're looking to get into your first Porsche and you want a 911 and you want something that's fun, not too intimidating, not too scary, hop into a 997. I promise it's such a good car, and it's so well balanced. It's got perfect power. It's not crazy. It's not intimidating. Very well mod friendly. I've seen tons of 997s on the track, and it's just overall, it's such an experience, and I love it because you still feel very much in control of the car, whereas in 991, I feel like you have a little bit more of the creature comfort, and the car kind of takes control. But that's just kind of my 2 cents on it. But again, if you are interested in this one, please check out the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.